Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute beehive using some things we found at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So I grabbed these pots from Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack. Some rope, the thicker kind of rope from Dollar Tree. Some little bees that I found in the spring section at Hobby Lobby. A crisscross bow I made out of ribbon from Dollar Tree. Some black paint, and you're going to need your glue gun. I made these a couple of years ago, but now I'm going to make them again because my video wasn't that great, so I wanted an updated video. So the first thing you're going to do is just start gluing your rope all around your pot. So you're just going to run some glue around and then hot glue your rope all the way around. And you're going to keep repeating this until you run out of rope, and then you're going to add some more on top of that. And here you can see that I'm almost nearing the end of this piece of rope. And now I'm just gonna cut off the excess, and then I'm gonna hot glue that into place. And then I'm just gonna take some more rope and go right back over it like I had done at the bottom. And you're just gonna keep wrapping until you reach the top. And once you reach the top, you're just gonna put a bunch of glue at the very bottom of the pot, which is the top, and just kind of twirl your rope around into the center, and then you're gonna hot glue that last little piece into place. So I just cut it a little bit, and then I hot glued that last piece into place and just kind of pushed it inside of itself. You're gonna just let that dry while you hold it so it doesn't pop back up. And then I added just a little bit of glue to get rid of the fraying that was happening on the end of the rope. And here is the start of our little bee pot. Next, I'm going to take another smaller piece of rope, and I'm going to wrap it into a circle and hot glue it. And then I'm going to hot glue that to the very top of the pot. So I'm going to make another circle, repeating the same process, and that one I'm going to hot glue to the very front of my beehive. And you're going to want to center that little circle with the circle that you already made on the top. Once you have that all glued on, you're going to take your black acrylic paint and you're going to paint the very inside of that little circle that you placed on the outside of the pot. And you don't want to get it on the rope around on the circle, you just want to keep it on the very inside. Here it's how it looks all painted. Now it's time to embellish the beehive. So I'm going to take that little bow that I made, and I'm going to hot glue that to the very top, right underneath that little circle that we made. Kind of fluff out the bow and make it look the way that you want to. And look how cute this is already. Next, I'm going to open my little bees, and I'm actually going to cut the little backs off of them because they are buttons. So I cut the little button hole off, and I'm going to hot glue one right to the center of that bow. Then I'm going to do the same thing with another one, cut the backing off, and then I'm going to put that right in the opening of that circle that we made on the bee pot. And this project is done. How absolutely adorable is this? I love the way this turned out. It's almost as good as my other ones, which there'll be a picture of those at the very end of this video. And how stinking cute is it? And super easy and really inexpensive. I hope this inspired you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.